Hi there. Let me show you an example of integration by parts. I'm going to integrate e to the x cosine x with respect to x. To define the function u, I'm going to use a simple rule called Liate. If you have a logarithmic function, that should be chosen as your u. The next in this preference list is inverse trigonometric functions, algebraic functions, trigonometric functions, and exponential functions. So we have an exponential function and also a trigonometric function here. So I'm going to choose u as a trigonometric function cosine x, since that appears before the exponential function. Therefore, my dv is the rest of the integral, which is e to the x dx. So I can calculate du, which is negative sine x dx, and I can find v by integrating dv, which simply gives me e to the x. Therefore, now I can write integral of e to the x cosine x dx, which should be uv minus integral b du, using the integration by parts, and uv would be e to the x cosine x minus integral of b du e to the x. Du is negative sine x dx, so I'm going to make this positive sine x dx. On the side here, I'm going to use exactly similar procedure to calculate e to the x sine x dx, integral of that. My new u would be sine x, dv would be e to the x dx. Therefore, du is equal to cosine x dx, and v would be e to the x as before. Therefore, integral of e to the x sine x dx is equal to uv minus integral of v du, and that's equal to e to the x sine x minus integral of v du, that would be e to the x cosine x dx. I'm going to substitute this result for integral e to the x sine x dx, and that would give me integral of e to the x cosine x dx. Let me fix my x's here. E to the x cosine x plus e to the x sine x minus integral e to the x cosine x dx. And if you notice, I have integral e to the x cosine x dx on the left hand side. I also have negative integral e to the x cosine x dx on the right hand side. If I move this term to the left hand side, I get 2 integral e to the x cosine x dx equals e to the x cosine x plus e to the x sine x. Therefore, if I divide both sides by 2, I get e to the x cosine x dx is equal to 1/2 e to the x cosine x plus sine x, and we always have to add a constant c, which results from integrating an indefinite integral. Thanks for watching.